This is a HAYLOU RS4. This is a smartwatch from HAYLOU, and it has got the following features. It has got 12 workout modes. It features a 1.78 AMOLED HD display. There's support for Alipay offline payment. It features a 10 days battery life. It has got IP68 waterproof rating. It supports SpO2 tracking, heart rate monitoring, as well as sleep monitoring. So we're going to unbox this smartwatch and show you its functions as well as to connect it to the Haylou Fun app. So this is what you see when you open up the box. This is the watch itself. It has got the HAYLOU RS4 Smartwatch user manual. And it comes with a proprietary charging cable. So these are the items in box. So let us take a look at the watch. We'll peel off the protective sticker. And this is the power button. And at the back, you've got the charging contacts as well as the heart rate sensing area. So to power on, simply press on the power button and hold it there, or they call it the long press. So the first thing that it asks to do when you power on is to scan the QR code to download the Haylou Fun app. Let's go to next. So it's a touchscreen smartwatch. So let's do that. So the first thing we need to do is to scan and download the Haylou Fun app. We'll go to Google Play. Select Install. Once the app is installed, select Open. We'll agree. Let's register. You can key in the various user information into the app. Let's add device. It has found our HAYLOU RS4 watch. Select that. On the watch itself, we need to tap Confirm. Now the first thing that the app has detected is a firmware upgrade. So let's confirm. Updating firmware will enable you to have the latest features as well as all the bug fixes on the smartwatch itself. You can see that it's updating. It's interesting to note that when the firmware is updated, it is actually powered off. So let's take a look at the watch. This gives a stats of your daily activities. There's the heart rate monitoring. There's the SpO2 monitoring. And these are the 12 workout modes. So the workout modes are not a lot, but then again, for most other watches which has tons of workout modes, the user only uses 1 or 2 most of the time. So I think this is good enough, at least for me. So there's the exercise record, and this is the weather, and it tracks the weather for the next 3 days. This is your sleep tracking, and if it's synced with your phone, you will display incoming messages. So this is a control for your music. You can actually control the volume as well, pretty cool. This is a stopwatch function. And this is a timer function. So these features allows you to locate your phone. So you can press to stop the ringing on your phone, and you can take a 1 minute or 2 minute break. This is to adjust the brightness, and finally the gear should be the settings. So you can select different watch face as needed. So to power off the watch, you can actually just press and hold, or call it the long press, and you can confirm to power off. Once again, let's power on by a long press. And for the watch face, you can actually check out your Haylou Fun apps for a lot of other watch face that is available. It is customizable. I think that's a pretty cool feature. So this is a quick unboxing and review of the Haylou RS4.